Hey everyone, it's CV here. Wanted to just show you this new tool that I got from Amazon, actually, and I will link it in the description of this video. So you'll click on these up here, top right hand corner. This is the OTC Drain Plug Pro, so it does have a 1/4-inch drive. The great thing about this is you can, when you're changing your oil, so if you're a DIYer like myself, changing your oil, you can actually get the oil plug just off with a ratchet. Use this tool, which has a magnet at the top, to drain the oil. And you won't get any oil on your hand, especially if the oil is hot. You won't burn your hand. It's probably one of the most useful tools I've seen, and it's on Amazon. So here it is. So here it is, OTC. You can see, it has a really flexible extension there from that 1/4-inch extension, but here's a little bit more about it. Let's take out the tool and give it a quick look. So I actually just recently followed Doc from Last Best Tool, who showed this, and really seemed to be a nice tool. Again, you can see this OTC 5911A, and again, up here is your magnetic part. So here's the 1/4-inch drive that this tool has. Snaps right back into place. And again, as you're taking off that oil plug, you just pull it out, and then this thing's magnetic, so it keeps your plug so it doesn't fall in the oil pan. And then sometimes it even click and sticks up to your oil drain pan, and all the oil comes out. So it doesn't make a mess, super easy to clean up. I recommend this all day, every day. Thanks for watching.